Today we're going to show you how to replace the center column bushing for Benro tripods with a center column. First, remove the weight hook. Loosen the center column locking nut and remove the center column. Remove the center column locking nut. Remove the center column bushing. It should be in one piece. If it is not, you will need a replacement part. It has a key on the outside edge, as you can see here. There's also a key on the inside of the bushing itself. When assembling, start by sliding the center column lock nut onto the center column. Then, slide the center column bushing so the key on the inside of the bushing fits onto the groove of the center column, and the key on the outside of the bushing is facing upwards. Inside the tripod is a groove. The key on the outside at the top of the column and on the top of the bushing fits right into that keyway. That's the only way that the bushing will fit all the way in. Tighten up the center column locking nut and replace the weight hook on the bottom of the column. Check out the operation to make sure it's working well. When removing the center column to convert to a monopod, remove the weight hook. Loosen the center column locking nut and remove the column. If you're trying to put this in and it doesn't fit, loosen the lock nut another half to full turn. Hold a finger in the bottom, holding the bushing in place. Line up the groove and slide in. And lastly, insert the weight hook. That's it for today. For more service tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.